nag-follow siya agad, tapos nag-reply, tapos in 3 days, he asked me out.
Ganda mo na!
Talaga! There are things din talaga in life na may kailangan lang talaga tayong ipaglaban at may kailangan minsan may mga bagay na hindi na natin pwedeng matakbuhan. Problem, but
Nagkagustuhan kayo?
totoo talaga eh, tunay. Tunay talaga. Hindi ko naman kinakailayo na na-inlove ako talaga sa kanya, you know. But syempre, you know, past is past again.
Ngayon 2026.
New beginnings. Yan yung gusto kong i-manifest. Lahat bago. At gusto ko talaga lahat ng mga taong malalapit sa akin, hindi lang ako maging successful, pero lahat na rin.
Can we expect you once na deadline? Anytime soon?
Yes, definitely.
Anong project mo? Pwede na ba?
Hindi pa eh. Wala pa. Hindi ko pa siya pwede sabihin. But I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very excited na i-share sa inyo itong something special that I'm doing right now.
You're happy with your career, also with love life.
Yeah.
So, kamusta naman yung inspiration mo?
I'm very, very happy. We're very happy and very solid, I have to say. Even though Mac, he's 24 years old, right, and I'm 30. Well, some would think that it's a big age gap, but some would say, hindi naman, normal lang. But honestly, you know what, isa siya sa pinakabatang nakarelasyon ko, but I think this is the most mature relationship I ever had. So, very, very happy.
Something special about him?
He loves my son very much, and Una loves him so much. So, that's very special.
So, talagang very close siya sa son.
Oo, very, very. Nabibiro na nga siya ng anak ko. Minsan nagtatawag siyang daddy. Tapos syempre kinokorek ko. No, that's Tito Mac. Kasi syempre may sarili siyang daddy.
Pero kung sakali ba, pwede rin siyang maging daddy talaga in the
Alam naman niya yun. Kasi nung nag-date kami, first date namin, sabi ko, I'm seriously looking talaga. Kasi definitely I'm 30, you know, I'm tired of playing games and stuff. And of course, he's 24 and basketball player. Syempre, expected natin lahat, di ba? He still wants to have fun and all. But apparently, si Mac talaga parang na-try din ata niya agad, no, sa murang edad. So, at his age, like by now, I think he also wants to settle down.
Di ba kakaiba yung kwento ng pagkakakilala nyo?
Oo nga.
Ha?
Kakaiba yung kwento, di ba, ng pagkakakilala nyo?
Bakit siya kakaiba? Ako lang naman yung nag-message. Ano ba
Kaya nga,
kakaiba
di ba,
to?
ikaw na una, ikaw nag-the moves. Ikaw nag-the moves, di ba?
Sabi ko, naman niya akong talagang ako'y mapusok, hindi ba? Hindi, pero totoo, kasi ano yun, dahil to kay Xavier Ramos talaga, nakita ko lang yung stories ni Xavier sa Instagram, tapos nakita ko sila somewhere, tapos sabi ko, uy, parang cute yun ah. Sabi ko, so, tinignan ko, sino ko yung ID niya. Eh, yung ganun itsura, di ba parang, naku, hindi naman nababakante to, hindi nawawalan to.
Oo.
Tsaka feeling ko baka laging may girlfriend to. Eh nakita ko wala naman siyang nakapost na girl. So ginawa ko, ako talaga yung nag-follow, ako yung una nag-message. Pero totoo yun, yung dun sa fast talk, yung message ko talaga emoji lang, walang iba. Kasi parang
Anong emoji? Anong emoji?
Ganun lang. Ganun lang kasi para safe. Kasi kung sakaling may girlfriend na hindi pa masyado pinopost, at least, nasabihin niyo, oh, smile lang naman, hindi naman, wala namang hinihingi sa'yo whatsoever. Pero nag-follow siya agad, tapos nag-reply, tapos in 3 days, he asked me out.
Ganda mo na!
Talaga!
So, masasabi mo talagang iba na yung mga babae ngayon din, yung panahon na kung gusto mo, porsigido mo. Parang ganun.
Oo naman, I'm very with that. Dapat ngayon, hindi lang, kasi dati di ba pag ang lalaki lang yung pwede magtrabaho, babae may iwan sa bahay, parang wala masyadong freedom. Pero ngayon, I think naman it's very outspoken na with women, we know what we want and we have the right to do what we want. And of course, our rights as a woman, and we're very clear with that. So, yun.
Ano lang fear mo sa ganung klaseng relationship?
Fear?
Na ikaw yung unang nag-message, tapos plus yung girl ko sa'yo.
Anong fear ko?
Na baka ano ka, parang it comes
Not very
down.
confident. I don't think I have any fear or like insecurity with other women. I mean, if they if he would be in a place that's gonna be a lot of, very gorgeous women, I'm not gonna be afraid or anything kasi I'm very confident with who I am and what I give with him, and he actually promised me. Not all those women naman din nasa place yung promised me that, whatever, but he did. So, yun yung pinanghawakan ko. And
Siya yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa 2025 mo?
Oo, sobra sa, alam niyo naman na we're all very aware, like my year 2025 was very, very, very
Yeah.
tragic and terrible for me. So Mac actually is really a big surprise talaga. I think he's really a gift from God.
Pero napagtag...
Yes, yes.
Sige, ikaw naman.
Valentine's.
Ay, hindi ko alam, si Mac ang bahala to. Nagpaplano about
Ayong
it.
pangunahan?
Very, very,
Siya romantic.
sorry.
Very romantic.
Si Mac, sobra, very intentional, I have to say. And he knows the small things. So yun yung talagang, I think yun yung sobrang nagiging special siya. Sobrang listener, galing, very observant. And hindi siya papayag na na hindi ako nakakauwi ng safe. So kahit sobrang layo pa niya, pupunta at pupuntahan niya. Sorry?
Wala siya ngayon.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to invite him still, but let's see if he comes.
Anong estado niyo? Magkalipin na ba kayo? Or something?
So, ano ba to? All out, ano ba to ng
Yes!
So, parang,
Ito na yon. Wala nang urungan, 2026 na eh.
medyo may times na ganun. Kasi nakakasama din talaga niya yung baby ko, and my mom lives with me, and doon ko masasabi na, he loves me. Kasi wala sa kanya yun eh. I think, siguro sa ibang guy, parang they would feel awkward, right? Oh, kasama niya pala yung nanay niya sa bahay na, pero siya, wala siyang pakialam. Even still, my brothers, every weekend, they sleep in my house. And he's also there, so walang problema sa kanya.
So ano ng emoji ang magagamit mo ngayon to describe your relationship?
Busog-lusog.
Napag-uusapan yung wedding or something?
Yes, definitely.
Nakikita mo siya, he's the one.
Yeah, yun yung, totoo yun yung kinuwento namin kay Tito Boy na when he asked me to be his girlfriend, I didn't say yes agad. I asked him a lot of things because I have to consider a lot of things. Of course, my son, right?
Yeah.
Kasi I'm seriously looking, meaning I am dating to get married. So he knows that. So he knows that before I said yes to him as a girlfriend, he knows that yun yung gusto kong patunguhan. So kung magiging boyfriend kita, walang atrasan.
Yun na.
Walang atrasan.
Tali mo na.
What's your love language?
Service. Service talaga. Gusto ko halagaan kita, bigyan kita ng oras.
Yun yung ikaw man nagbibigay. Pero may kayo nakaka-receive. Anong gusto mo?
Gifts. Maano ko sa gift talaga. Parang kahit lollipop pa yan, promise, sobrang...
Hindi diamante.
Kasi I think it's the thought that counts eh. Yung the fact na naalala ka ng tao na yon na ay, magugustuhan niya to or mapapasaya ko siya dito kahit candy lang yan. Sobrang laking meaning nun for me.
Rita, ang ganda naman nangyayari sa'yo. Nakapagpatawad ka na ba?
Oo, parang ano pinaganyan mo, pag sana diniretso mo na lang.
Sinegway mo.
Yan ang ano ko sa'yo. Ang galing mo talagang sumagot eh.
Alam niyo po, bago pa yan itanong sa akin ng kung sino, of course, nagawa ko na yun. Kasi, para saan pa, diba, I'm very vocal with my faith, and I'm very vocal as a Christian, and isa yun sa tinuturo sa amin, that bago pa hingin sa iyo ng tao, ibibigay mo na kagad yun. Diba? There's just things that, that, of course, I already gave that. Alam na ni Lord yon, but there are things din talaga in life na may kailangan lang talaga tayong ipaglaban at may kailangan minsan may mga bagay na hindi na natin pwedeng matakbuhan. So kailangan natin pagdaanan yun.
Tama naman.
May iba tayo, Rita. You're a good friend of Ken, di ba? Do you have any communication with him?
No, I don't. We're not friends anymore.
Ay,
Pero do you, kumbaga nalungkot ka rin ba? Isa na yun.
Definitely, of course. He was my best friend. He was he was a very special person to me. But yeah, I hope na maging okay din siya, you know, and yung buong family. I'll pray for him.
Ano mga naka-line up mo ngayon, 2026?
Naka-line up,
Meron ka bang teleserye or movie again?
Hindi pa ka daw pwede.
movie, yes.
Movie.
Yes. Kakatapos ko lang i-shoot yun, so abangan na lang. Di pa talaga ako pwede magsabi ng kahit ano. It's really gonna be a big surprise.
Kamusta kayo ni Miss Ana? Paano kayong
Sino si Ana?
Magkawas.
Sorry, ang dami kasing ano na eh. Ang dami mong tanong eh. Hindi ka naman gusto mo bigyan ng chance yung iba. Charot. I love you. Kamusta kami ni Miss Ana? Actually, matagal na akong user talaga ng Lux. Even before ko pa siya ma-meet, talagang bumibili ako ng ng products niya. Yung mga una ko nabili sa kanya, yung foundation niya na SPF. Sobrang gusto ko yun na. Nalungkot ako kasi sabi niya, i-face out na niya. Tsaka yung coffee talaga. So, tapos, I had the chance to meet her dun sa birthday ni Doc RFD. Nung naging part ako ng Urban Spa, sabi ko, Doc, pwede bang pakialam mo kay Miss Ana? Kasi sabi ko, matagal na akong user ng Luxy. Tapos yun, simula nung nagkaroon ng communication, tapos yun, sobrang bait talaga. Sobrang bait ni Ate Ana. Kaya parang, hindi mabigat sa puso ko na tulungan siya to endorse the product. Kasi ako talagang ever since, gumagamit ako ng Lux.
Magtanong daw kayo. Dami ko rin.
Can I just ask,
Sure.
mga naghahanap ng love life, what can they learn?
Mag-message ng emoji. Joke lang.
Ang dami na message sa akin. Actually, sabi na, anong emoji ba yung ginamit mo? Baka naman pwede mong i-share.
Like Arnie, naghahanap din.
Ano bang advice ko sa mga naghahanap?
Dami kasi women single. Siyempre may mga
Alam mo, I think pinakinggan ko yung sinabi sa akin lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Kasi dati talagang, alam niyo naman, magpasok ako. Gawa ng paraan, papapansin ako sa ganito, may nasayit akong ganyan, gagawa ka ng... Pero hindi talaga nag-workout. Alam mo, sabi nila sa akin, Nenyo, huwag mo kasing hanapin, mag-antay ka. Sabi ko, 4 years na, anong antay pa ba gusto nyung gawin ko? Nagmamadali pa ba itong lagay na to? Hindi, pero yun kasi yung time din talaga nung na-meet ko sa Mac. Yung parang, Lord, kung may ibibigay ka, thank you po. Pero kung wala, okay na ako. Yung talagang, it's really the acceptance. Kasi once you have that acceptance in your heart, na you can live on your own, whether you have a baby or not, or you're living with your family and you're supporting them, it's the acceptance eh. Kasi that's what makes you free. So, di ba sabi nila, ang kamay, pag masyado kang ganito, walang papasok sa'yo. Pero when you accepted things, and unti-unti ka nagiging ganyan, nagiging maluwag ka sa sarili mo, you're not that rude to yourself, or not that rough to yourself, and with your other things, it will come. It will land. So that's what I did. I accepted things na I'm gonna be okay. Kung may bigay sa Lord or wala. But I'm just really, really grateful na binigay niya sa akin. So nung alam kong siya yung binigay, talagang hindi ko na siya papakawalan.
Thank you.
Okay na ako.
Bisita.
Ano na sabi hindi na kayo friends ni
Oh, ayan tayo
ni Ken?
Diyos ko, alam niyo naman yung mga past issues namin. Kayo na lang mag-connected dots. Basta, we tried to be, we tried to work it out as friends, but it just happens to be that, we're not friends anymore. And of course, I'm very sad with that.
Pero that was before yung nangyari sa kanya.
Right before.
Right there.
Investor ka, no?
Sorry?
Nag-invest ka doon, no?
Not yet, but I was about to. We were actually going to be business partners, but hindi lang naman dahil sa business din. Kasi I'm sure you're all aware na, di ba, nagkaroon din naman talaga kami ng personal, not problem, but
Nagkagustuhan kayo?
totoo talaga eh, tunay talaga. Hindi ko naman kinakailayo na na-inlove ako talaga sa kanya, but syempre, past is past again. And I just hope that, that he gets to find the person that who will really, really love and accept him. But of course, I'm very sad with what happened with us. Kasi ilang taon din yun, ilang taon namin pinaghirapan kung ano yung naabot namin together
Sayang, no?
as Ritkin. And kami, of course, as best friends, he really was my best friend.
Nag-MU kayo?
Naging kayo.
Hindi naging, I don't think so because hindi pwedeng maging kami. Because you know the
Pero
story,
nag-express
right?
din siya ng feelings niya.
He did. And that's the confusing part, right?
MU.
So yun, mga ganon siguro.
Totoo ba? Effeminate siya?
Na?
FM siya?
Anong FM?
Feminine.
Gamitin mo yung term mo yan.
May pagka... babae.
Yeah.
Siya nalang tanungin mo na eh. Pag bumalik siya. Oo, parang I'm not the right person
Yeah,
to say
okay.
that.
Ay, ano?
But if you have something to like advise him on his current situation, would you want to give him an advice or a message wherever he
No,
is?
I don't think so. Because I think he knows that already.
Okay.
I think this season talaga na meron siya para to sa full of realizations, you know, with everything. And definitely this interview would get to him. Definitely he would see this, and we don't have any communications anymore. But I really hope for the best, and I am praying for him and for his family. And yun lang yung masasabi ko talaga. Wala nang iba.
Even to his family, wala kang communication.
No,
Kamusta?
wala. Everything was cut off. Yeah. That's the best thing to do.
For this whole thing, yung situation niya, na-surprise ka din upon hearing it na hindi mo siya in-expect na mangyayari sa kanya.
When I knew it, of course. Yeah. Because that's something na parang well, because I thought I knew him, you know. But I don't know, kasi feeling ko kahit malaman ko rin naman ng maaga, makakatulong ba ako? Parang hindi na naman din ata. So I think the best thing that I can do for him right now is just to pray for him. That's it. That's all. Pray lang talaga. Yun yung pinakatulong na pwede na natin magagawa.
Okay. Thank
Ayun.
you!